If you're facing this type of low flame or any flame issue, watch this video and resolve it by yourself. Before starting, make sure you have these tools: a safety pin, cleaning pin, hard bristle brush. Safety pin is the main tool for cleaning the nozzles. You bend it straight like this and bend it in L shape like this, if required as per your nozzle type. Remove the pan support and burners. At the bottom, you can see the nozzles. This is open mounted nozzle. Use the safety pin to remove any blockage in the nozzle hole like this. Clean all the nozzles. While cleaning any type of nozzle, make sure you don't make the nozzle holes bigger, which will affect the gas flow and flame quality. Now take a clean cloth and clean the igniter pin to remove any spillages or debris on the pin. Clean the FFD pin as shown in the video. Now we will remove the small burners. Let's see another type of nozzle now. This is very easy to clean. Remove any blockages with a pin as shown in the video. Now, this is the third type of the nozzle mounted on the side. Please use the bent pin for cleaning this type of nozzles. Always use the correct size of pin. If you're using a cooktop and not a gas stove, the nozzle is placed at the bottom of the cooktop. Turn it back clean in the same manner as shown in the video. We are done with the nozzles and let's see how to clean the burners. Take clean water and mix any light detergent with water. Soak the burner in the soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, clean the burner holes thoroughly using the cleaning pin. Use the brush to clean any stains in or out of the burner. After cleaning, dry the burners completely before placing it on the stove again. You will get a good quality flame after cleaning.